Today I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you go down here, you click here on profile down here, and you just click here on profile. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here inverse. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on notification settings, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to, when you click here on notification settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to Recoup my costs on events I can't attend. Here you enable it for email. Then here for app. Then like you see, it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.